The first piece of technology I want to talk to you guys about is something called Classcraft. um, I've been kind of interested in gamification since I started learning about it in this class. Um, and so I kind of was seeking out different types of technology or platforms that I could use to implement gamification in my classroom. And I found this one called, like I said, Classcraft. It's really cool in that um, if you were to use it in your classroom, you'd have all your students create a character, and then it's basic, and then their assignments that they do are kind of like their quests in the adventure that is this game. And if they succeed, they progress through the story, if you will, of the game, and they can get like experience points, and they can get points taken away for certain things. And basically they can't proceed through the game. They don't figure out what happens in the game unless they um, do their work and succeed and do well and do all the little things right. Um, and so if as you can see on here, so like this is sort of a demo that I found. So like here are all the students, and here are their characters. I mean, each student gets to create a character, um, and here's like the if they do something well, you as a teacher can give them experience points. So or if maybe they're disruptive in class, or maybe they show up late to class, you can take those points away for those two. So it kind of is like a rally or a ongoing total of their points. Um, and as you can see here, it's like the quests, like I was talking about. So like for example, this one looks like a math project. And so you click on this, and here's the beginning, and then here's kind of their coursework, and it takes them all the way. Excuse me. It takes them all the way through until the final, which is what they call a boss battle. And so then they have questions, that relate to whatever unit you're in, and if the student does well, then they beat the boss of the game or that mission. So like here's one stop in the quest, and so um, here's kind of an overview of what they're doing, and then the story, it tells you kind of what's happening in the story. The students would read that, but okay, I need to do this in order to progress through the story, and then it has their task here, what they need to do. And some of them have a discussion what they need help with. I just put that goofy comment because I was just messing around. And yeah, I think that pretty much covered. I think it's a really cool idea, and I think it'd be really fun for me personally to try and maybe utilize this tool with maybe one project or one unit to just kind of try it out and just kind of see how it goes from there. I just think it's a really, really neat idea. So, um, hope you enjoyed learning about that kind of fancy piece of technology. Thanks a bunch for watching my video.